Oh man, I almost got it. Hang on a second.
Now a message from Notre Dame coach Brian Kelly.
The erosion of our confidence in the future is threatening to destroy the social and political fabric of our nation. The confidence that we have always had as a people is not just some romantic dream or a proverb in a dusty playbook that we read just on Saturdays.
Yeah, I think this guy is on
It is the idea which founded our university and has guided our development as a football team. Confidence in our future has afforded everything else. We've always believed in something called progress. We've always had faith that the days of our children would be better than our own. Our people are losing that faith. For the first time in the history of our football team, the majority of our fans believe that the next 5 years will be worse than the past 5 years. We were taught once that our teams were always invincible and our cause is always just, only to suffer the agony of Syracuse, and then BYU, and later Navy, and then I believe another Syracuse, and well, Navy again, and basically all of 2007, and large swaths of, okay, look, it's been a kick in the man parts. We respected the coach as a place of honor until the shock of, well, every coach. We've got to stop crying and stop sweating, stop talking and start walking, and I suppose, if it helps, continue drinking. Your mileage may, vary. Working together with our common faith, we cannot fail. Good night and good luck. We are now returned to Little Orphan Annie, already in progress.
Oh, hell yeah! Yeah, I gotta get my decoder ring!
Alright, Space Campers, it's time for another episode of Little Orphan Annie, brought to you by Irish Outsider Brand Confectioner's Flour, made just the way Mom did, with extra hog leavings, and by OC Brand Cigarettes, the only cigarette that this fuzzy little fellow asks for by name. Ah, there you go, little buddy.
Come on, man, what's this week's secret message?
Be sure to drink. Aw, son of a...
Oh man, stupid decoder ring.
Buy war bonds from thehouserockbuilt.com.